Good morning, children. Today I will explain the addition of digits through this maths practical class. Children, I have taken some math sticks to explain the addition of digits. See children, what is the first digit? The first digit is 4. So I am keeping here 4 math sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the second digit? The second digit is 3. So I am keeping here 3 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3. What is the last digit? The last digit is 2. So I am keeping here 2 matchsticks. 1, 2. Now see, can you say the total number of matchsticks? How many matchsticks are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 matchsticks. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Children, you always practice the addition of digits like this way also, or like another way also. Thank you.